So recently Google has released its a Gemma 4 model, and today we are going to test it on the local computer. So what you have to do, either you can come here on the Ollama, you can get started with this, or you can download the LM Studio and then you can get started with the LM Studio. We will be using our Ollama and also the LM Studio. I just want to show you here a complete picture how it works. Let me just quickly give you the type of the model currently available with the Gemma 4. They have a 2 billion parameter model and 4 billion parameter model. So the 2 billion and the 4 billion parameter models are known to run on the edge devices, IoT, and the local computer where you don't have much of the memory. Then you have a 26 billion parameter model that is the based on the mixture of expert architecture, and then based on the dense architecture you have a 31 billion parameter model. And this Gemma 4 model supports good quality of the reasoning. That means any model which supports the reasoning and the tool calling capability, that model is going to be believed a better agentic model. It can also support the multiple input parameters like text, image, video, audio, etc. And also overall, it has 256,000 total tokens context window. Larger the context window, that means the larger the code or larger the text data you can process with this model. So first of all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to upload here a financial data. So this financial data is related to the Apple earning. It is the annual filing given by the Apple, and then I'm going to upload it on the LM Studio. And then a simple question I'm going to ask here, that what is the earning of the Apple? What is the earning of the Apple? Thereafter, let's simply select the model. I'm going to select here the model Gemma 4 billion parameter instruct model we select here. Thereafter, let's go ahead and just simply upload this. So what it is going to do, it is first going to convert this PDF into the text data. Thereafter, it is going to give you the final answer. As you can see here, it is chunking. So basically there is the internal process in this LM Studio. What it does, it actually creates these chunks automatically behind the scene. Thereafter, it is going to retrieve the relevant chunks automatically behind the scene. And then finally, it will synthesize the answer and then it will give you the answer. So it says that it has processed it. Now it is processing the prompt. And then finally, you are going to get the answer here. I would say that the performance of this is so, not a bad performance. Let's go ahead and try to test it with the another feature. So the other feature I'm going to test here, I'm going to upload here an invoice. Let's go ahead and upload that. Either I can select here as a file or I would select here as an image. So I come here in the download section, then I have here image. Let's go ahead and get it. And thereafter, get me invoice text in JSON format. Basically, it is going to give us here a JSON format. So what it does here, it has converted this invoice into a JSON format. And you can clearly see here, all these data is definitely correct data here. All right. And here is the token speed. I'm getting almost 18 to 19 token per second. That's the good speed for me. You can also comment below and let me know that how much speed you are getting. Apart from this, I also have here other problem statements which I want to test here with the Gemma 4. So here is the problem statement from the lead code. I'm going to give here medium hard problem actually. It's a medium level problem. It is related to add two numbers, all right, linked list numbers. So I just need to copy this whole question from here. Thereafter, come here in the LM Studio, and then I need to also make sure I give here, you know, a solution definition as well so that it can give us the output in same format. And then here give me solution only. All right. So I just here don't want any kind of the extra text data and other stuffs. So I just wanted here the solution. So it is going to give us the solution. It might take a little bit time. Let's wait for that. Seems like it is writing in the C++. That is something bad actually. Let me just see here if I have selected. Okay, cool. So seems like I had selected the C++, so it is fine. I thought it was the Python, but it's the C++, so it's perfectly fine. Let it finish. And seems like 13 token per second was speed and 483 total token was used. Let's copy this whole code from there. And then I'm just going to paste it here. And now it is time to make sure we test here the test cases. Ideally, it should pass the test cases and seems like, yes, congratulations. So this model is not a bad model. Actually, it's a good model. Even a small model is able to solve these kind of the problem. So here is my take for this particular model, how you can actually utilize this model and how it is going to change the world in coming years. Not just this model, there is other model like the Quinn 3.5 model, smaller models like zero point 0.6 billion parameter model or 2 billion parameter models. Those models are also smart model. So smart models are coming nowadays. What happened here? Let's say if you are developing application, let's say Android app or iOS app, then these models can be included behind the scene to process your data. So basically what happened here, you now don't need to send your data on the cloud. That means on someone else. In coming days, what's going to happen here, these processing are going to happen on device itself. Now, similarly, you can also run the Ollama, and like I used here the LM Studio, you can also use here the Ollama to get the answer. So let's say if you have here the other question, you can just simply give the question and sample here. And thereafter, you can ask here to your model, basically the Gemma 4 model actually. So you can select here the Gemma 4. I should be having here Gemma 4, 4 billion parameter model. All right. And then I can just simply ask my question here inside the Ollama itself. Seems like I don't have much of the memory because the LM Studio is already running here. So if I close this LM Studio and thereafter I ask my Ollama to load the model, it would be able to load it because very limited memory I have my here in the laptop. Because of that, it might not load both model in a separate instance. Now, I hope it was helpful to you. Now you understood that how you can work with this. If you have anything to tell me, like if you have tested it on your local computer or in your mobile, please let me know. Let's have a discussion in the comment box. Bye bye. Take care.